You can take a look at some pictures of Scotland first thing this morning. This was South Lanarkshire, as you can see, still with plenty of snow, particularly up over the tops of the hills. Coming a little bit further south now into England, Preston to be precise. You can see a fair bit of snow still on the ground there, quite slippery on the roads and the pavements. That's why these ice warnings have been very much in place. And I've been saying go careful even where we don't have the ice warnings. In Bristol, not as wintry, but certainly fairly frosty first thing this morning there, just by the Clifton Suspension Bridge. And as we roll forward into the next few days, we will continue to see the cold digging in for a little bit longer. But there is some milder air on the way, and we'll take a look at that in just a second for the forecast. But let's take a look at where the warnings are. And these actually got extended, and they are in place at the moment. And we can start off in Scotland, where we could see maybe 1 to 3 centimetres of snow coming in with these wintry showers. Again, that will freeze, turn to ice. So that's why that warning is very much in place. Coming further south now into Northern Ireland and the northeast of England. Again, another warning for icy surfaces first thing tomorrow morning. But as I say, outside of these areas, it still could be quite slippery, so go carefully. And then we have another ice warning in place across parts of the West Country and western parts of Wales. As for the next few days, how's it all shaping up? Let's take a look right now.
It's a cold and wet outlook, with some heavy downpours throughout the day. Heinz Big Soup sponsors ITV National Weather.
Well, I've certainly been updating the air mass chart over the last few days. You can see it kind of moves on into the start of next week now. And that's when we will start to see that milder air, or less cold air rather. It's still going to be a little chilly in places, starting to push in from the northwest. Winds also changing direction, coming in from the south as we head towards this coming weekend. So temperatures will be less cold than what they have been over the last few days. However, tonight still pretty chilly in places. Again, sub-zero in towns, cities, certainly well below freezing outside in our countryside areas. Temperatures could be down to maybe -7, -8. I don't think it will be as cold as what it was last night in Scotland, but certainly quite icy where we've got those warnings in place. Also quite frosty as well. The frost will be taking quite a while to thaw away first thing tomorrow morning, as will the ice. But it will be another fairly bright day for many parts of the British Isles. A good deal of wintry sunshine, less showers in comparison to what we've had over the last couple of days. Still a few out towards the North Sea coast, and that's why that ice warning is in place through the small hours of Friday. Temperatures tomorrow up a little bit, with a high of 8 degrees Celsius.
Heinz Big Soup sponsors ITV National Weather.
Yeah, so something a little less cold tomorrow, highs of 8 Celsius, but I think we'll get something a bit better, maybe double digits as we head towards next week, but still need the winter woolies out for the time being.
OK, Alex, thank you.